Welcome back. In this video, I will show you my attempt to troubleshoot the issues I've faced around the heated seats and phone screen mirroring on the Hansshow H7 rear screen. I intentionally did not edit a whole lot to accurately showcase the issues and the steps I took to resolve them. Having said that, there are some great features with this product, and I will show them in a separate video, particularly the ability to move the front passenger seat and the ability to view Netflix, Disney Plus, and other media. As I mentioned earlier, the rear heated seats, they work from the back screen, but there is a disconnect with the front screen. Now, however, if you turn on the heated seats in the front, it overrides whatever you had in the back. And if I made any changes in the back, nothing happens in the front. So, I know when I was on Hanshaw's website, they said to download an APK file that'll make the changes. So just to let you know, I will show you what version we're in. So this is the version info. Okay. And if I go into OTA, I click check. No upgrade files detected. Okay. Of course, this is not going to work. I'll cancel it. I go back to the menu here. So I went on Hanshaw's website. I downloaded the APK file that it was talking about. And it's right here, the launcher, IVI launcher. I click that. It gives me this message, package installer. This is a package installer. What action would you like to perform? I say install. And so do you want to update this app? I say update. And then it tells me it's installing. And says app not installed as package conflicts with an existing package. I hit done. There's another thing that I could do. I probably could click on view and see what's going on here in these files. But again, this is a whole lot of work for somebody who just wants to have this application, this rear screen installed and working. So that's your one problem. I wanted to take a moment and walk you through the Hansshow desktop website. I went to the Model 3Y 7-inch rear entertainment and climate control touchscreen display H7 product page. You will see all the features listed, and you will see these links. One is to the APK file. The other is the instruction as to how to download the APK file, and then the Netflix app installation for 7-inch screens. There are certain H7 screens that do not have the Netflix pre-installed, and you'll need to go ahead and do that. This is the instruction on how to download the APK file. These are 3 steps, very simple, and they're not detailed, and that is all. Navigating back to the desktop page, we're going to click on the first link that takes us to the Hansshow Google Drive, and you have this UI folder. You click on it, you see the IVI launcher.apk. This is what you download. You can head over to the car to install the APK. I wanted to show you the mobile website as comparison to the desktop site. It is exactly the same. You've got product features listed, but you will not see those 3 links to the Google Drive, to the download instructions for the APK file, and the Netflix APK file instructions. The other issue that I discovered while playing here is there is the screen mirroring. So it talks about connecting this device to the USB or Bluetooth. Now I can do the Android version, so I did scan that, and I'll put on a recording where you will see that when you download this, so whatever this version is outdated compared to what I have on my Android device, so this does not work. So even this functionality is useless. Scan here, link, download this again. I say, no, I already downloaded this. I'm going to do this. Do you want to install this app? I say install, installing, and then you're going to get this message, unsafe app blocked. This app was built for an older version of Android and doesn't include the latest privacy protection. More details, installing this app may put your device at risk, and install anyway. I say got it. It still says app not installed.
So here are my final thoughts. This Rare Entertainment screen is not a simple plug and play. The installation process can be a bit complex, and you might find yourself scratching your head. Also, the aftermarket support needs a lot to be desired. Having said that, there are some good features and capabilities in this product that I will go over in my next video. Please share your experiences in the comments below. Thank you.